interested in the use of UAS, especially in mapping and what I do here. And I operate our camera in our Cessna, and just we were doing a lot of small jobs and seeing this technology advance. I could see some of the jobs in the future being used for some of those. So. It was a challenging test, mainly because it covered so much, just a wide berth of everything from airspace regulations and classifications to how weather would affect drone flight, to risk management, to it just covered the whole gamut. It was hearing people that have taken like even a manned pilot's test, it kind of covered a lot of the same areas that test would cover too. Well, we really you don't have to contract out. There are firms out there that do nothing but acquire imagery. And just being able to, it's a cost-effective way if you need any sort of imagery, any sort of 3D modeling. And just I hope we move along. I mean, with the advancements of the equipment, or of the drones themselves, advancements in cameras, advancements in software, it's hopefully we could kind of keep up with it and move right along with the pace of technology and just continue to offer a good product to the clients.